dive into action. Understanding, get in the game. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, get in the game. This expression is not just about sports. It has a deeper meaning in everyday English conversation. So, stay tuned to uncover the layers of this fascinating phrase. Get in the game is a metaphorical phrase that means becoming actively involved in something. It's often used to encourage someone to participate more fully in a particular activity, especially if they've been hesitant or passive. The game here doesn't necessarily refer to a physical sport. It can be any situation, project, or activity that requires engagement and participation. This phrase likely originated from the world of sports, where entering the game means a player starts to play, usually contributing their skills and effort to the team's success. Over time, get in the game has transcended sports, becoming a common expression in both professional and personal contexts. It's a call to action, urging people to stop being bystanders and start being active participants. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. In work, you need to get in the game if you want that promotion. Show them what you're capable of. In personal development, stop doubting yourself. It's time to get in the game and pursue your dreams. In social situations, don't just sit there. Get in the game and mingle with the guests. To get in the game in your own life, start by identifying areas where you've been holding back or hesitating. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve and take actionable steps towards involvement and participation. Remember, getting in the game means making a conscious decision to engage actively with your goals, challenges, and the opportunities around you. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, get in the game, and inspired you to take more active roles in your life's various games. Whether it's your career, personal growth, or social life, remember that the most important step is the decision to participate actively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more interesting English phrases and their meanings. Happy learning!